I'm going to walk you through how I make $32,540 passive income per month. And I'm going to show you the 4 different ways that I do it. Now, the 4 different methods that I earn my passive income are website hosting, it's software, YouTube, and investments. And I'm going to show you on my computer here exactly how I do this. So one thing to keep in mind is while this is my passive income, I actually make far more than this per month from my businesses. This is just income that is reoccurring that I can 100% count on every month. Now, the first method that I make money is through hosting commissions. People who register websites using my recommended provider, which is Bluehost. So I make over $20,000 per month in commissions and reoccurring commissions from Bluehost because of the amount of people who register websites, watching videos like this and my blog and my courses, all the different areas combined. Many people have registered websites and gotten started with their first website-based business using my trainings. Now, this is right here, $21,000, and as you can see, if we look at this month, we'll see that it just sort of continues to be more or less the same, $11,260 for the first 15 days of this month, and that's passive because it just keeps continuing to happen and it's very reliable income for me. Now, websites are kind of the starting point of anybody who's creating an online business. Basically anybody, even if you're selling on Amazon or even if you have a YouTube channel, almost everybody needs a website to support their business in some way, shape, or form, whether or not it's just you putting up a website of your basic information to show that you have a business. So websites are important, and I'm happy to say a lot of people have gotten their start creating an internet business using my training programs and watching. So some people are watching my YouTube videos. So the second method that I use to create passive income that is a reoccurring commission affiliate program is ClickFunnels. Now, what you'll see right here is basically in the last, every day I make anywhere between, $100 to $600 from ClickFunnels, just from subscribers. And ClickFunnels, it's a website building software. And again, it helps support people in creating their internet businesses. And what I've done here, they have a great affiliate program. And what you'll see here is they pay 40% monthly reoccurring commissions for anybody who registers to build their website with ClickFunnels. It's a way to build websites without knowing any programming whatsoever. And what you'll see here is what's really cool is since I have over 200 active members, I actually qualify for a dream car. They'll pay me $1,000 a month. They'll buy me a car. So I haven't gotten my car with them yet because I don't know, I frankly just don't like driving too much. But yeah, some affiliate programs will give you extra perks and bonuses and stuff like that, even like vacations and trips if you're a top affiliate. So that's really exciting and something I really enjoy with my promotions when I come across an affiliate program like that. My third source of passive income is YouTube ads. YouTube serves ads for me on my videos and also on my blog. And as you see, it doesn't pay that much. I have, right as of the time of this speaking, I have 69,000 subscribers and, I've made $400. So if you kind of extrapolate that, to earn a full-time living as a YouTuber, you need at least 500,000 subscribers or more like 1 million subscribers to live a somewhat comfortable life. YouTube ads don't pay a lot, but I figured I'd throw it in here because it's still an important, mix in the matrix so that you understand kind of how much money I make from this. And the fourth way I make money is investments. So, and as you'll see here, we're on my online brokerage account, which is called Wealthfront. It's a really great way to manage money. Maybe I'll put a link or something. But really what it does, I see how much interest I make each month. And really, I only made, I think, about $100 or $200 last month in interest. The stock market has been fluctuating so much recently that I really haven't made much money in the stock market. I believe I actually lost money last year and I've made some money this year, but I haven't made a lot of money from investments, frankly. So that's, you know, it's an area of my life I'd like to make more money from, and I'm talking to a wealth manager right now, but it's very hard to make really solid returns on investments. So these are the 4 methods that I use to make money. As you saw, it's about 21K here, about 11K here, and $500 here, and about $100 here. So that's kind of the breakdown of my passive income. Now, these are not my main income sources. This is just kind of reoccurring base level money that I'm making in my life. Now, how to create reoccurring income for yourself, you know, it's find an affiliate program that is dependable and especially that pays reoccurring commissions. There's a lot of hosting programs and a lot of software programs that pay reoccurring commissions, and getting people on those reoccurring subscriptions can be very useful for helping build your income. And as always, only recommend products that you personally care about and endorse and have tested the quality of, because you always want to make sure you're adding value to the world at the end of the day. Again, you know, this is all about adding value to the world in whatever way you can. So I hope that was helpful to help you understand what sort of passive income I make from my businesses. Check out my channel to see how my main source of income, if you want to learn about affiliate marketing, which is I make about 10 times more per month than this. Subscribe to my channel and you will get a free course